what's up? So what's happening? So we are at the flea market booth today, and doing a little restocking. It's the first of the month. Happy New Year! We wanted to see how our sales have been. I'll look over things and get restocked and check out our sales. I think I just said it all like 3 times.
Okay. Looks like we had some interest in these dog vets. I know we sold one. And then, that Mary and baby Jesus.
Ah, we did sell that. Was there?
Yep, that sold. I think we may have sold a couple of these because this was full.
Yeah.
Stuffed full, so we sold a couple of those for sure. It's hard to tell. I don't know. I think we did sell a couple of these because I stocked them so full that you couldn't put another one in here.
I remember that. Oh, we sold one of the black picture frames because there's 2 white and 2 black.
No, there's 2 white and 1 black.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. I don't know. I don't remember all that was in here. But that's like a whole bunch of baby stuff. I think we sold a pineapple core.
Yeah.
We definitely sold one of these silicone molds. A lot of the stuff looks, like it's been looked at, picked through. I don't think we sold any of these, believe it or not. These
no. Little knee pads.
Knee pads. These we could have sold. I don't know. And I think we may have sold some of these.
I know we definitely sold some of those because I think we had 4 or 8 out there.
Do we have any more?
We got a lot of those.
We need to bring more because they're selling here.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. And
or that's what's happening to it. Maybe you should check underneath the table. Maybe they're all underneath there.
I'm just excited. I'm sorry. Do you think it's okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'm seeing that I think we're missing some curtains and duvet covers.
Was there anything in that next to the
I think
llama,
so.
the alpaca?
I just don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Also, one thing that I noticed is missing is that we had a leather.
Yeah, it was over here.
And it was hanging here.
Yeah.
And it is not here. And that was $50. So I know that's pretty cool. I wonder if we can go up front and check and see if they have like a list of what we sold.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a few on the back.
Yeah.
We vlog things.
So I guess there must have been some that were sold the other day.
Some that were sold what? Yes.
That must have been
right here. She was just telling us that this was from.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody got some portable cell phone chargers from us then. It only shows that we sold one.
Did you find a leather bag on there too?
Yeah, leather bags
there. It is.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah, so somebody stole a couple items from us then, or it's somewhere else.
Yeah, it could be just dropped off someplace. But
Yeah, because we had 4 of these little portable chargers, and we only got 2 left over there, so we've got one.
No, we
missing.
got 1 left.
We've got 1 left, so we've got 2 missing.
okay.
They could have been dropped off. So we had 2 items from somebody else's booth in our booth, and we just returned it back to their booth. That's what you do, right? You just put it back.
If you don't know where, just bring it up here.
Okay. So we're on the lookout. We thought we had sold a whole bunch of these. We thought that we had put like 6 out here. We knew that we had sold 2 and we only have 1 left. And so we're missing some. So I'm hoping when we came in here, we saw a couple of items from a couple of other booths. In our booth, sometimes people just shop and then they just set things down. So we returned those. So hopefully, now that the holidays are over, people are going to be coming in, revamping their booths, and maybe, just maybe, they got set somewhere. I'm going to go to the storage unit, get a couple more of them and put them out. But if they continuously go missing, we're just going to have to find another way to sell those. So it is what it is. It's so hard to keep track of what's going on in all of these booths. So we just have to be real careful about what we put out here. Remember, the secret to having a successful flea market booth we're finding is that you rearrange often. So I'm trying to make it a little different, a little more aesthetically pleasing, and trying to find a way to start introducing some of those lower priced items into our flea market booth.
So we've had these tools that we got off of a pallet a while back, and I had them on Facebook Marketplace as like a bulk lot, just because they're not like expensive tools, but they're like, you know, $10, $15 a piece. But Facebook kept flagging my listing, so we thought we'd bring them here and try and sell them, and so hopefully we'll see how they go.